Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Hey everybody, Lady Cheryl here. It's real nice outside, so I was walking around. I was accessing the damage of the freezing temperatures, and I decided to pull some of the rings and beets that was growing in the grow boxes and plant something else. Okay, let's get started.
Hey everybody.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, and Bria and I are. Why are you laughing? Beautiful day in the neighborhood. She watched Daniel Tiger on PBS. But anyway, I just want to show you that the Swiss yard and a few beets all died in this and spinach in these two containers. These are grow boxes that I have on a platform. These are sawhorses with wood, and this is really great for somebody that has a disability, or as you get older you don't want to do a lot of bending like me. So I just pulled up the plants here in this compost. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm gonna pull it all up and I'm gonna plant some. I'll show you in a few minutes. Okay, so Bria is just breaking the soil up a little bit, about 1 inch. Okay, so just do like this, just very lightly. Why don't you stay in one spot instead of going everywhere? Look how I did it. Look, I'm gonna go straight down to you. Okay, watch this. Just a little bit. Let me go. Move your fingers out the way. And I'll come back. Just a little bit. You don't have to dig real hard. Okay, go ahead. Bria, hold it this way. Look, come down this way.
Kids usually cannot know a lot.
Kids can, but I'll go ahead on and do it. Now, let go, Bria. What I'm going to do is, I'm almost finished, sweetie. Okay, this is the last chance I'm going to give you. You have to do 2 rows right here.
Where?
Come up. No, don't dig down far. Don't move the soil. Just a little bit. See? Just ever so lightly. That's perfect, Bria. That's perfect. Okay, guys, I went in the house and I got the seeds. And Bria's going to help me. And this is what we're going to plant. So this is what we're going to plant. Tatsoi. So we're going to broadcast Tatsoi Seeds from Baker Creek. Bria, you want to open that up?
Yes.
What you see right here on the edge of here, this is azomite rock dust. We're just going to drop a few. These are real tiny, like mustard seeds.
Found out. I gotta go to.
And now we're gonna sprinkle some right over this area.
Back.
Okay, I want you to get just a few seeds and sprinkle them where you are. And then we're gonna put onions all around the border. Okay, just sprinkling some. You go ahead, get you a little bit, don't waste it. You do the middle and I do the end. Okay, we're done. Yeah, you can pat it down. Pat, 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 pat.
Patty cake, patty cake.
Okay, and that's it for now. We didn't water the seeds because it's going to be raining for the next couple of days.
Bye! Thanks for watching. Bye.